Okay. Okay, you guys. I just like broke something. Oh well. We just hit 50 subscribers. Like legit, like a couple minutes ago. And like, oh, I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this forever. Like, okay. Whenever I was really little, yeah. I was so excited starting. Like, one of my ex-boyfriends actually got me started on this, and I was so excited starting. And like, I was like, okay, you know, it's just something for me to do, something to not make me bored. But now, from where I wanted to do YouTube forever, and like, even whenever I was out of commission, that was during my dark time, that I know every YouTuber has, I still wanted to do it, but I knew if I went back, that it would cause too much stress on me, and I had enough stress on me as is. I mean, that sounds kind of stupid, but it was true. I was not in a good state. Not a good state at all. Keeps on falling over. But anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much, you guys. 50 people know who I am. Well, more than 50 people know who I am already. But, like, okay. So, let's say yesterday. I think he was probably the 49th subscriber, maybe? I don't know. But they said that they had just saw my channel and that they really liked it on Instagram. And so they were really sweet and they were really nice. And I like seeing my fans like that. Like the ones who are really nice and they reach out to me. And it's awesome. Actually, a lot of my subscribers I think are my friends. So, and then, yeah. But yeah. I like seeing, like, I know that there's a couple different people who have subscribed to my channel that I don't personally know. So, yeah. I'm just so happy, you guys. And I look like crap right now, but I don't care. I, gotta put my hair up in this stupid ponytail. My hair looks like this because I was in the pool yesterday. And I just put some water on it. And, usually I just let it dry whenever I get out of the pool. Then I have a shower the next day. I haven't able to get into that shower today just yet because I saw this. And I was checking my channel. And it's at 50. So, you know, I love it. I love it so much. Thank you all. It's just half of 100 people. Half of 100 people who have subscribed to me. That's awesome. That is awesome. For me. Anyway. I think it's online, but I love it because I love it so much. But you guys want to see that special video probably right about now. So should I say that? But one other thing. Mandy's out of commission this week. She said that she would like to help me on this project, and she also said that she was not in the mood to do a video this week. And I was like, why not, Mandy? And she's just sassy. You know how she is. She's sassy. I'm so tired. But I don't care because you guys matter. I mean, that's awesome. Also, at the Dome Gaming channel, a lot of votes are leaning towards yes. So, I mean, I don't know. You guys can't know yet. Are you serious? No, you guys can't know yet. You have to wait. Sorry. You have to wait until Friday. I think I'll either end the voting Friday or Monday next week. So, today I have to go see my little cousins today. So, I'll try and get something really special put together for you. Mandy's gonna be helping me, so yeah. I love you all so much. Thank you once again. You're amazing. I probably won't have an outro on this, so I just wanted to say, make sure to be yourself and inspire others, and if you're new, subscribe, because that's it. That's what you did anyway. Yeah. I love you all so much. Thank you once again. And, there's that video. So this is the finished product. You guys already saw me speed drawing it, and for the reason of why I had like this one bottle is because it did something weird. So apparently you have to shake this up every time because inside it dries inside, and so I had to take the lid off because there was dry paint on top of it, and so the wet paint inside, like the actual paint that you can paint with, well, obviously you can paint with that, but see that? That was in the top of the lid, and I could not paint with it, so yeah, it took me a minute. But it looked like it took me 10 seconds. This took me about 20 minutes, you guys. It looks like these hearts, I should not have added those. I mean, that heart's okay. That heart's just weird colors. I kind of like it because it reminds me of cotton candy. But yeah. I couldn't fit the 1170 because, you know, my stupid paintbrush. I should have got a smaller paintbrush. I was using this thing. And yes, I mixed all the colors together on this one paintbrush, but I tried to get it off. So this is my palette now. And I barely use any of the colors. So yeah. And then those are all the colors I use. Sorry for all the papers and stuff. See, that's the best where it's usually found in my nightstand and in my bed. My bed's made. I mean, it looks halfway decent, and the rest of it is bad. But yeah, you guys, okay. This is probably gonna be really bad. I hope you guys all enjoyed that. Thank you once again for so much subscribers. This is like a really short notice video because I just made it and I got paint on my case. Wonderful. Anyway, it's like, you guys, I'm so in love with YouTube. YouTube is like the thing I like doing now. So yeah. It's probably a bad background where you're looking at, but I love you all so much. Thank you once again. If you're new, subscribe. Cause every time until we get to probably 1,000, you guys, I'm going to go buy tins and celebrate. Probably won't be big videos until I hit 100. So yeah. If we make 100. I love you all so much once again. I'm sorry, I just love saying that. Make sure to be yourself and inspire others. I'll see you all either Friday or Monday for the reveal on the gaming channel. So far it's leaning towards yes, but I don't know. You guys will have to wait. So yeah, still go to my last video in the description, or just go to my channel, my last video. I have some important questions for you guys. That's the title. And vote with the polls. Also follow my Instagram and Twitter. Keeps you updated on when I'm posting videos, and yeah. Mandy, go check out Mandy's channel. Yeah. I'm so sorry, guys. This is just I love it so much. I love you guys so much. I'll see you, like I said, Monday, Friday. Make sure to be yourself, inspire others. I've said this 1,000 times. Anyway, I'm gonna go.